Greater Manchester's bustling street food hubs offer a highly lucrative, high-volume trading environment for independent chefs, food trucks, and mobile catering vendors. But behind the service hatch, you have high-pressure liquefied petroleum gas systems operating inside an enclosed metal box that spends hours vibrating on the road. Local environmental health officers perform frequent audits at festivals to inspect these specific mobile setups. Missing a single piece of mandatory safety documentation results in an immediate shutdown. You can face statutory fines of up to £6,000, and your commercial insurance is instantly voided. To trade legally, mobile operators must possess a specific, active document, the CP44 Mobile Catering Gas Safety Certificate. Many vendors assume a domestic CP12, meant for rental properties, or a CP42 for permanent restaurants provides the necessary coverage. They aren't valid. If you present either to an event organizer, your pitch is canceled. Compliance requires an engineer who holds specialized commercial mobile LPG qualifications. A CP44 inspection conducted by Gas Safety Manchester begins at the exterior of the vehicle, focused on the fuel source. LPG cylinders must be secured upright in an externally accessible, fire-resistant compartment. This space must be heavily ventilated and completely sealed off from the interior cooking cabin. The engineer then checks the high-pressure regulator. It must deliver the exact operating pressure prescribed by the appliance manufacturer, typically 37 millibars for propane setups. Securing the bottles and regulating the pressure externally prevents gas from pooling inside the enclosed workspace. From there, the inspection follows the gas flow into the copper pipework. Constant road vibration can compromise the structural integrity of these joints over time. To verify the integrity of those connections, Gas Safety Manchester engineers utilize a digital manometer for a pressure drop test. This tool monitors the copper pipe network under pressure to check for micro-leaks. The result must be a flat line on the diagnostic graph. During this testing period, any fluctuation exceeding 1 single millibar constitutes an automatic failure. Running this pressure integrity check is the only definitive way to prove a vibrating mobile kitchen is structurally sealed. The focus then moves to the active cooking equipment, such as deep fat fryers, flat-top griddles, and water heaters. Every commercial appliance must have a working flame failure device. If a flame goes out, this sensor cools and snaps the gas flow shut, preventing raw fuel from accumulating in the cabin. Finally, a flue gas analyzer measures the ratios of oxygen, carbon dioxide, and carbon monoxide at the exhaust to ensure the fuel is burning cleanly and safely. If an appliance fails these tests, the fault is classified as not to Kermit standard, at risk, or immediately dangerous. Gas Safety Manchester engineers carry standard regulators, hoses, and safety controls in their vehicles to perform repairs on site, often resolving at-risk or immediately dangerous faults during the same visit. Analyzing the burn physics and maintaining on-site repair capabilities prevents compliant traders from facing prolonged shutdowns. After a successful inspection, the engineer generates and emails a secure digital CP44 safety record to the operator within 24 hours. Having this digital record on a smartphone provides the necessary safety credentials required to trade in Greater Manchester's most competitive food markets. It satisfies specific municipal requirements, such as Bolton Council's rules for flue termination heights or Sulford Quay's requirement for certified LPG systems due to bans on petrol generators. Holding this verified local record fulfills the regulatory entrance requirements for the region's highest footfall pitches. Vendors can access a dynamic pricing calculator at the Gas Safety Manchester website. By selecting a vehicle type and appliance count, you receive upfront pricing starting at £150. An automated renewal system also tracks compliance deadlines, sending SMS reminders well before the current certificate expires. Book your CP44 inspection today to secure your business and ensure your mobile kitchen remains operational throughout the trading year.